time. Illuminated.
What if I told you that everything you just saw was created by AI in under 60 seconds? Welcome to the most comprehensive guide to OpenAI's game-changing Sora 2, the AI video generator that's literally breaking the internet right now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We're announcing the Sora app, powered by the all-new Sora 2.
This isn't just another AI tool. This is the moment that changes everything. We're talking about technology that creates cinematic videos with physics so realistic that experts are calling it the ChatGPT moment for video creation. But here's the thing, getting access isn't easy. The most people are doing it wrong. Today we're going to show you exactly how to get in, what you can actually do with it, and at the end of this video, we're giving away exclusive invite code to one lucky winner. What is Sora 2? Let me blow your mind for a second. Sora 2 launched on September 30th, 2025, and it's not just a video generator. It's a complete social media platform powered by AI. Think TikTok, but every single video is AI generated. Here's what makes Sora 2 absolutely revolutionary. First, it generates video with synchronized native audio. We're not talking about silent clips anymore. These videos have sound, music, dialogue, everything. Second, the physics are insane. We've gone from absolutely fake AI videos to this level of realism that's genuinely hard to distinguish from reality.
2, 1, go! Dude, you alright?
Third, the cameo feature. This is where it gets wild. You can create a digital version of yourself and insert it into any scenario you can imagine.
So your ideas move exactly how you imagine them.
Let's dive in!
But here's something nobody's telling you. Sora 2 is currently invite only, limited to US and Canada, and the demand is absolutely insane. People are literally buying invite codes on eBay for hundreds of dollars. You'll need 3 things. Number 1, a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription. Number 2, an invite code from someone who's already inside. Each user gets only 4 or in some cases 2 invite codes to share. Number 3, you'll need to be in the US or Canada or have a workaround. But here's where it gets interesting. For those outside the US, you'll need a VPN connected to American servers. And for the mobile app, you'll need a US-based Apple ID. Sign-up process breakdown. Let's walk through the actual sign-up process step by step. Step 1. Head to Sora.com or download the Sora app from the iOS App Store. Remember, there is no Android version yet. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter an invite code. If you don't have one, this is where most people get stuck. Step 3. Here are your options for getting codes. Check the official OpenAI Discord server. They periodically drop fresh codes. Search Twitter or X for Sora 2 invite code. Join Sora focus communities where users share codes. You can read through the comment sections of the YouTube videos on the topic. I want to share my secret method later in this video, which worked magically for me. Step 4. Once you're in, you'll need to verify your ChatGPT subscription and complete the onboarding process. Step 5. For the cameo feature, you'll need to record a 10 to 15 second video of yourself from multiple angles using the iOS app. The entire process, once you have access, takes about 5 minutes, but getting that initial access, that's the real challenge. Platform features deep dive. Now let's explore what you can actually do inside Sora 2. The platform has 2 main interfaces, mobile and web, each with unique capabilities. The mobile app features. The mobile experience is designed like TikTok. You'll get a vertical feed of AI-generated videos that you can scroll through endlessly. You can like, comment, follow creators, and most importantly, create your own content. The creation process is surprisingly simple. Tap the plus button and choose from 3 options. The web version at Sora.com offers more professional tools. You'll get access to Sora 2 Pro if you're on a higher subscription tier, which unlocks higher resolution outputs up to 1080p, extended durations up to 15 seconds, better processing videos for complex scenes. The cameo feature. This is the standout feature. Once you've created your digital avatar, you can insert yourself into any scenario. The AI maintains facial consistency while adapting to different lighting, angles, and contexts. Key limitations you should keep in mind. The generation time is 30 seconds to 2 minutes per clip. Limited control over camera angles and lighting. Outputs are typically 5 to 10 seconds at 720 to 1080p resolution. Quick heads up, Sora 2 lets you generate 30 videos a day, but not everything gets approved. Some videos might get blocked if they violate content guidelines or look too similar to existing third-party material. So don't panic if a few prompts don't go through. Let me show you what's possible with two high-end scenarios that demonstrate Sora 2 capabilities. Scenario 1. Luxury product commercial. Watch this AI-generated luxury watch advertisement.
Time. Illuminated.
The prompt was simply cinematic luxury watch commercial, golden hour lighting, macro lenses, premium feel, and orchestral soundtrack. Notice the details, the way light reflects on the watch face, the smooth camera movements, the synchronized audio. This level of production quality would typically require a full film crew. The expensive equipment and hours of post-production, Sora 2 created this in 90 seconds. The physics are spot on. Watch how the watch hands move naturally, how shadows fall correctly, how the materials reflect the light realistically. We're looking at production value that would cost tens of thousands of dollars, generated by typing a simple sentence. Scenario 2. Architectural visualization. This is an AI-generated architectural visualization of a modern luxury home. The prompt is cinematic walkthrough of minimalist luxury home, floor-to-ceiling windows, natural lighting, smooth camera movements, ambient soundtrack. Look at the attention to detail, the way sunlight streams through the window, how shadow moves naturally across the surface, the realistic material textures on the marble wood. Traditional architecture visualization like this requires specialized 3D software, skilled artists, and days of rendering time. But here's what's really impressive. The spatial consistency. As the camera moves through the space, the proportions remains accurate. Lighting stays consistent, and the physics of how light interacts with different materials is remarkably realistic. Like I said earlier, here's my magical method which worked for me. Keep requesting access in the app. Eventually you'll get in without a code. It worked for me, so it's worth a try. Industry impact and controversy. But Sora 2 isn't without controversy. The entertainment industry is in full panic mode. The Motion Picture Association and major studios are raising concern about copyrighted characters being used without permission. There is also deepfake concern. Users have found a way to generate policy-violating content. The line between creative expression and potential misuse is becoming increasingly blurred. The bigger question about reality itself. Future implications. We're witnessing the birth of what experts are calling infinite content creation. Soon we won't ask, what's your favorite show, but what's your favorite AI generator? The implications are staggering. Content creation can produce Hollywood-quality videos from their bedrooms. Businesses can create professional marketing materials without massive budget. Education can become more engaging and custom visual content. Entertainment will become hyper-personalized. But we are also entering an era while distinguishing real from artificial becomes nearly impossible. Exclusive giveaway announcement. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, our exclusive Sora 2 invite code giveaway. We're giving away one exclusive Sora 2 invite code to a lucky winner. The rules to enter is in the description below. The giveaway ends in 48 hours from now. Winners will be announced in our Instagram story and contacted directly. These codes are valued at over $500 each on the secondary market, so this is your chance to get early access to the future of video creation. Sora 2 represents a fundamental shift in how we create and consume visual content. Whether you see it as democratization of filmmaking or the beginning of our post-truth era, one thing is certain: this technology will reshape entire industries. The question isn't whether AI video generation will become mainstream, it's how quickly you'll adapt to this new reality. Those who embrace these tools early will have a massive advantage in the content creation landscape of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.